All right, well, welcome to our Seminole Innovator Showcase. It always fills my heart to see how this space is just taking off, fueled by your creativity, interest, and passion.
Part of the Innovation Hub and Seminole Innovators is working together and collaborating, and that's why this event is like the pinnacle of that, because we get all of these people here at a table and show off all the work that they're doing all over town, because we want to provide students with opportunities to meet people that maybe know more about certain skills than they do.
You're here because you have this inner ability to create and innovate, and you want to make a difference in the world. You want to connect with these other like-minded people. That's what's driving us here, and that's what our mission is. To solve the world's problems through human creativity, emerging technologies, and innovation.